Alright guys, welcome back to Hundley TA. It is Monday and we're back here taking a look at SPY once again. Now I did come up and test this resistance zone here. It did reject and it's looking like it's really trying to make a push and back up and hopefully make a higher high there. So it'll be interesting to see if it can carry that momentum and really push higher. Did form like a small little support somewhere like there, so it's using that as potential momentum to continue moving upward. But yeah, there's nothing really big at play here in terms of trades. If you zoom in down on like the 5-minute, you might be able to find something like, you know, this zone's holding it down as a resistance. If it does break this, and you know, you could look at a long, or just take a short here and hope it comes down there. But anyway, we'll move on to crypto now, onto Bitcoin. We've actually made a new high since last year. Just about made it to 30k. So we are continuing to push this resistance zone and really try to push through it. I was thinking about taking a long at this zone here, but I feel like that could be a little too soon. I think I could see it coming back down to this zone again, maybe even lower. So yeah, I'm just not too excited about this zone, especially with all these like wicks above it. I feel like it's just not a very steady level to take a trade at. Moving on to Forex, we have the Euro NZD that continues to just move sideways. USD CHF almost made it out of drawdown here. And we'll keep hoping it can bounce out of this zone. GBP/USD did fall out of its zone. Luckily I did put my stop even lower, so if it does come down to this zone and bounce up, then I'll be okay. Still not ideal though. Same here with Euro USD. This one just fell right on down to this next zone here. So hopefully that can bounce its way out of there. CAD JPY was on a nice little fallout there for a sec, and then now it's come back to break even, unfortunately. So we'll see if this test is rejected again and hopefully falls back down. NZD USD looks like this one has not entered. USD CAD is in drawdown, but it is still in this resistance zone, so it still has time to reject and head the other way. GBP NZD, this one was successful. My stop worked out pretty nice. I was a little worried about it being just beneath these lows here, but yeah, these little wicks didn't ever touch it, and it eventually hit my profit target, so happy about that. GBP JPY has not entered. USD JPY is on its way up. It's looking good. However, this zone here will be a tough one to break through, so hopefully can keep up the momentum there. AUD NZD is trying to get rejected here at this resistance zone. But yeah, it looks like it's struggling to do so. Excuse me. CAD CHF. This is a nice little short that worked out for me. Had to test the resistance zone twice. Made me a little nervous that it made this higher high here and just about broke this zone. Ultimately, it got rejected and fell into my profit target, which was nice to see. AUD USD got stopped out. This zone just didn't hold at all. I had the smallest little bounce here, and then it just dumped down to this lower zone here, which could have been another potential long, but it didn't get into that one. So GPCHF took the short here at the confluence of this downtrend and resistance zone. Had this crazy spike. I'm glad I had my stop above this the most recent high. Since it's in a downtrend, I thought that it should keep a lower high even if it were to spike up like that. So luckily that did work out, and we're on our way. AUD JPY. Oh, there's nothing going on there. I mean AUD CAD. This is the one watch I had for today. Looks like it could have already had a little break and retest here, but I think I could possibly get in on another retest for a short. Let's see here. Let's just quickly put this trade in. I could look at a stop above this high here, and then 1.25. That brings us to somewhere around there. It could work out. I would like to bring the profit target closer into the zone in case it just bounces right off the top. So I may not take this trade, but it could work out as well, so I'll keep an eye on it. But yeah, that wraps it up for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment below what you guys have been trading and what you're seeing in the markets today, and hit that like and subscribe on your way out.